Molly. Welcome back. Thank you for being here. I'm going to do tonight a piece that I did a little while back where I used blue and yellow. It was part of the announcement for the collaboration that I was doing with Olga, Sobi, and Rinske. So I'm gonna do those colors again tonight. And I am also going to add a lot more white. That one came out kind of dark. I'm gonna add a lot more white and see if I can brighten it and soften it up even more. I'm gonna layer my colors a little bit differently as well, and I'm just gonna have a big, beautiful straight pour. So I'm using very thin paints and I'm going for a soft feel tonight. So I hope that you enjoy the video. Let's paint. All right, hello everyone. Look at how messy I am already. I am doing another painting like the one I did for the collaboration with Olga Sobi and Rinske. And I am using the same Payne's Gray, Gold, and White. Just three colors. I said three colors in a thin paint straight pour, and I'm gonna change it up a little bit. I'm gonna do white, add my gold, then add the blue, and try to create that lighter green effect that I was talking about. And I'm thinking that the gold next to the white may create a little bit more cells. I'm not quite sure about that. I'm gonna try it out and see. So I'm gonna pour a pretty good amount of white into this one, and I'll save the rest to go in. Now I'm gonna go in with my gold, and I'm just plopping it on in there. Whoa, look at all those. Whoa, okay, that's gonna have a crazier cell reaction, I think. That's what I thought. When I mix an opaque and the metallic that I use, it definitely creates that. And I use, well, you can't really see it. Here we go. I use this Creative Inspirations with Winsor Gold and mix them 50-50 and then mix it with water. This has good binders. This gives me the cell reaction. So if you are painting and you're not getting cells, think about the brands of paint that you are using. All right, now I'm gonna pour in my blue. I'm just gonna use the rest of that there. Hope that wasn't too much because I do want this to stay lighter. And a little bit more, just a tiny bits of the gold. All right, let's see how this one comes out. I'm a little worried now because I put so much white in here, but let's see what happens. I may have to do one more. Okay, no, the blue is good. The blue has got it dark. Here comes the white to lighten it up. Okay, and now, oh, that gold is beautiful. And now I'm gonna come through and kind of soften these harsh lines by running my hand through it. Oh, that is really pretty. I'm gonna give this a good torch before I stretch because there are a ton of air bubbles. I just mixed up a new batch of gold. Ooh, but that created some beautiful cells that are in here. And some of these are gonna stretch out. They're really not cells, they're air bubbles for this one, but the colors come up underneath. This is really pretty. That is a gorgeous reaction. Oh, look at that. Did you see that bug? All right. Let me stretch this one out. This one's definitely going to be lighter, which I like. Oh, yes. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. That stretched out to be something just beautiful. Okay. So now I'm gonna stretch it to this side. This is definitely lighter, but I still am not getting, I'm gonna have to show you the original painting. I still have one of them, I think. I'm still not getting the green color that I got before. All right. Love this one. It's much lighter and airy. The gold is really pretty. I think it's got a great design to it. I'm just gonna touch up my sides. I'm done. Touch up my sides and I'll show you. This is so pretty. I'm so happy with this piece. Trying to take you slow. The white, if I was gonna do this again, which I may, I would maybe do one less little bit of white and maybe pour in a little bit of blue and gold into the white and then layer the rest. Look at those little rocks. Oh, and then this lacing part down here. Wow. I love it. And I really like the focal point running through it. All right, I'll show you what it looks like dry. Well, I must say, I really like this one too. The other one, the first one that I did for the fundraiser collab with Olga and Rinske was much darker, and the gold really kind of stood out. This one, I feel like the gold is a little bit more muted, but the white, I don't know, it gives it this other feel. I mean, you all can let me know what you think. That, I always pick a favorite part. That is my favorite part of the whole painting. I actually like these little areas of Payne's gray that popped through. And up here, they popped through with gold and Payne's gray, like little rocks heading down a river stream. But this one is just chef's kiss for me. I love it. I love the dark one as well that I did, but thin paint straight pours, you know, it seems so simple, but it can create such an amazing result. I'm so happy. I love the little gold part that's shimmering up there. There's shimmer all through. Yes, very much so like this. All right, so let me show you the other piece that I had done that inspired this. So originally, I had thought that I used just Payne's gray and gold, but when I brought this out, I realized I had used a little bit of lime green that I had in this as well. But you can see the similarities, but I think personally, I do love this one, but I think I really like it with the extra white in there. Totally different feel. All right, well, I hope that you enjoyed the video. You are still able to donate through olgasobi.com. We can help. All my links will be down below, and I appreciate all of you for being here with me. I appreciate each and every one of you. Much love to you all. Happy painting. Bye.